Well, isn't that gonna be a thing?
Oh, how can we do that? Ooh, okay, that could be another card. Eyes first or face first.
Oh my, we're one indecisive couple, aren't we? We live, baby.
Okay,
welcome back to my channel, guys. If you guys are new, welcome. Today's video is a little different because I have a special guest.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Elibeautyy. Hi, on a different channel this time.
Yes. What's your Insta?
Collab. So you can find me on Insta or Twitter at Elibeautyy.
Yes.
Listed somewhere around here.
Somewhere. And
we should at the same time.
Yeah, okay, fine. And then your YouTube
at Elibeautyy, all at Elibeautyy.
Oh, lit. See, I wish mine
keep
was
it simple.
Mine's not consistent, but that's fine.
Cause you get confused.
Yeah, you know.
At Elibeautyy.
But today's video is very exciting because this look, yes, was random. We picked
very random
from a bowl of numbers. Okay,
bowls of numbers.
Bowls of numbers. Okay, that was not easy at all, but we did it.
We made it work.
Yes.
And yeah, the colors we picked were a little funky, but somehow
we made it work.
Managed to pull these
yes, like look at her. She looks like a
together,
Barbie doll.
and she looks like a little model.
Yeah,
look at this editorial look we have going on.
Okay.
Right.
So if you guys are interested in seeing this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and continue watching.
Let's go.
That's facts. We should do like pick our eyeshadows first. How many are we gonna do?
That's a good question.
Let's keep it simple. Transition color, a crease color, a lid color. So we'll do eyes first. That's fine.
So
okay.
I'll just I do my brows first. I do brows, then eyes.
Yes. What are you using?
Anastasia brow wig.
Oh, same. What color do you use?
Medium brown.
Oh, I use ebony. I think I can use medium brown though, if I wanted to, or like
chocolate
you
build it up.
Brown.
You could build it up. Like if I want something soft, I'll just go a little light. If I want it deep brown.
Right. You know what?
You know, I like it. Oh, I bought a headband.
Yes. Oh, that's why I put my hair back.
Look,
my edges don't sweat it out and everything.
They still laid though.
No,
it's natural, so it's curly.
You
so
right.
It's nice.
But it was late.
Straight hair.
You know what I should have gotten?
Oh,
a handheld mirror. Nah, I don't think if you watch any of my videos, I need a mirror
in your hand. Brows, you could just go out like that. Just a little bit of.
Okay.
Tell them.
Yeah, I was just about to say.
So we're using the Riviera palette from Anastasia.
Yes, you know. So
R.I.P. Mediterranean.
Oh.
I dropped her and she all fell out.
Oh, that's that pretty color.
Yes. But you know, I did get to use it, so I'm happy I got to use it a few times before it fell.
We're picking 3 shades. Hopefully, ideally, we would like a transition color, a crease color, and a lid color.
That's appropriate.
Let's hope.
That's appropriate. 2.
9. Okay. Let's see what that is.
So my 2 is yacht. That's a transition color? Oh no.
4, 5, 6.
The number guys did me dirty.
9. Okay, I can work with that. I got this color right here. Hold on, let me just do that. That's that color right there. Okay, next one. Please be a good one.
1. Sales. White. Okay.
13.
Oh, maybe we should do 4. Inner corner.
We can add like touches at the end.
Okay. Yeah, well, guys, please give me a
good crease color. 1 and 2. You better play those numbers. Yeah, I got one. Please.
12.
1. Oh, what am I supposed to do with that? With Cabana first, which is this camel color here. And I'm going to use that as my transition color because
that's a good idea. Alright, I'm going to be using Monte Carlo on a white teen brush. I'm using my crease color.
This color. Oh yeah. Okay, so like who added who on Insta first? Cause that's how we met.
That's basically how we met on Insta.
Yeah.
And we kind of just hit each other up, linked up, had brunch, and
that was fun.
That was fun. And now we're here.
Yeah, started from the bottom, now we're here.
Okay, so this isn't that. This Monte Carlo.
I don't.
There's not really much for me to do with these two colors.
That's what I'm saying. Look at that. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Two heads are better than one. Ew.
What's wrong?
I don't like that.
What?
The yacht with
good.
the pink.
I have to clean up. Oh, well. Clean up on aisle 5, because you see this fall out. Ooh. And that. I would have been truly upset.
That's mainly why I always do eyes first, because like you just never know what's gonna fall out.
I'm still gonna do that.
Like we really got some crazy mix-ups here. I think I'm making this
not a wide look. I think Alyssa Ashley cheated. She cheated because how?
There's no way a look.
Did you get a wearable look doing this? Because this, I still kind of like this a lot, but this is not a look I would do every day.
No, not at all. On a regular day, at all.
Same.
This is cool. I like this a lot.
I'm starting to think maybe I do want to do a wing. No?
I don't think so. I think some nice drama lashes will pull it together.
About you, but I always have to line my lash line before I put lashes on, because I hate seeing right in this corner right here, because I have no lashes.
The separation.
I hate it.
I do put liner on before I put lashes on.
I absolutely hate it. So we're gonna just
we only have one. We bought one liner. So
what are you using?
I'm using NYX Matte with liner.
Oh,
this is awesome. I love it.
I love NYX.
That's good.
That's really good. I'm using the Benefit roller liner.
I haven't tried that.
And my Sculpt tip.
I feel like those dry like quickly, but that don't look dry.
Hey, right. That was a really long time just to do eyes. That's pretty funny. I think everything else might be easier.
Nothing went together.
Yeah, so, but we made this work. I like this.
Yeah. Okay. I like. All right, so now we move on to face.
Yeah. Well, do you do lashes?
I do lashes like last.
No way.
Yeah, because I don't like it like sitting on my eyes for too long.
Is it weird if I just pop them on?
No, pop them on. I'll pop them on at the end.
I'm gonna pop them on right now. They're tickling me.
Where'd you get them?
AliExpress. AliExpress.
There we go.
We're gonna figure it out today.
All right, so we're gonna move on to foundation. I have Too Faced Born This Way, Fenty Pro Filter, and Maybelline 24 Hour.
My 3 options are my absolute favorites. The Juvia's Place I Am Magic Foundation in the color Ethiopia. The matte finish, velvety matte finish. And then I have the Becca Skin Love in Amber. This is a nice natural finish. I'm really hoping this is what I get. You know,
cross the fingers.
You know. Or the Born This Way foundation from Too Faced in the color Mocha. This is another natural finish. One. I feel like it's so dry.
Oh, a primer. We didn't put primer. Okay.
All right, let's.
So we got foundation. So I can put y'all away.
Okay. 1. Please be good.
So I got my OG Rimmel Stay Matte.
Okay.
I've been using this for years.
I'm happy that I got this because I need something hydrating. So it's the NYX Honey. NYX? You say NYX or NYX? I kind of interchanged whatever, but whatever. The NYX Honey Do Me Up.
Your skin ain't right, your makeup ain't right.
Facts.
Says the girl's breaking out.
Well, you know, my skin is not looking the greatest either.
I expected this because
it's coming.
Miss Flo came.
Yeah, mine's coming too.
So no, not at all. I just like I like the way it blends. Like it still keeps the
maybe
product.
Maybe it sounds like really bouncy though.
Yeah. little contour situation on the nose.
Okay. We only had one. Yes. Yes.
So I bought Fenty and Butter. Love this. Studio Makeup. This is just their regular HD finishing powder, which I don't even really use like that. So I hope I don't get that one.
What's that?
Studio Makeup. It's just a white.
Who's Studio?
They're just called Studio Makeup. I have this and I have like 2 of their palettes. I like the palettes.
Interesting.
And the powder.
What I got? What I got?
Alright. And lastly, Maybelline. This is their Setting, Perfecting, and Loose powder. I like this one too. I haven't used it as much as my other ones, but
I want to try that.
a little goes a long way with this one.
I've got the Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder. Love this. But my absolute favorite is the Huda in Blondie. And then I've got Milk Makeup the Blur and Set Matte Blue Setting Powder. So, please be good to me.
That's Studio.
I got Hourglass. So, I think I'm okay.
Okay.
We'll be okay.
Alright, so I'm going to use like the tiniest bit.
Yeah.
Like I use a beauty blender.
I do too, if I was using Huda.
Okay.
However, because I'm only setting, I'm gonna just use a powder because I just want it to soak up.
See, it doesn't look like white.
Yeah. Just kind of soaking up whatever is on here. And it looks good. Ooh, I like this. This looks good.
This is good.
Highlighter. I'm excited. I truly am.
Okay, highlight where?
Boom.
Over here. So I bought 2 highlighters.
So did I.
And
Equal opportunity here.
Ofra
Oh yeah.
in Rodeo Drive.
Probably has the same
One of my
makeup.
favorite highlighters. I dropped it.
Damn.
So I tried that like alcohol trick, but that it did not work. And then I have Mary Lou's Manizer, which I've never used.
Manizer.
Manizer.
What's that?
So it's not
like a womanizer.
not touched.
It's like gender neutral.
Manizer. Mary Lou Manizer.
Oh, it's a manizer. Okay. So, and I've got Fenty Trophy Wife, and I think this would look really nice with this purple look. So let's hope we get that. And then I've got, you know, the Amrezy highlighter from Anastasia, discontinued or whatever, so you can't get it.
Unless Amrezy's nice and brings it back so I can get it.
You're right. She did bring it back. That's when I got it. I got it the second time she got it back because I was like, oh, hopefully.
you know the holidays are coming
You
up.
know.
You know.
Everybody gotta have a highlighter.
No, which one is this? Oh, I got Mary Lou. Oh wow. Okay, I'm excited.
Please. Yes, I got Trophy Wife. The continuous setting spray. Or mist or whatever.
It's more, yeah, it's more misty. I like it because of that.
Ooh, ooh. Okay, cool. I
use this brush. It's actually a concealer brush, but I never use my brushes.
Techniques.
Yeah, I don't use them for what they're for.
Yeah, that's nice.
Ooh,
I'm using the It's My Ray Ray one.
Ooh, I like that. I like the shape of that.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna dabble in it a little bit because this could be a little overpowering.
This is a highlight you could see from a mile away.
This too.
Just highlight everywhere.
Yes, did that. Okay,
You're all glowed up. Lips.
We're almost done.
Lips, Shea Moisture. This is in the color Rosy. It's their lip crayon. It's really nice. It's like it's very buttery and moisturizing, so it's not drying, but it deposits a nice amount of color.
See, and it's funny that you pick like pinks and nudes, because look what you ended up doing.
Look at God.
Look at God.
I have NYX Lingerie in Ruffle Trim. This is like a nice reddish brown kind of nude lip. You know, if you want something matte, but not like too crazy, you know, just like a wash of color. This is Strut Colourpop, another nudie. I have a bunch of nudes. These are all nudes. This is not nude. This is NYX's lipstick in Sweet Pink.
Ooh, that one might actually look really nice on
I
that.
think it would look nice on this
Yeah.
too. So Let's see, number gods will come through. Abu Dhabi NYX Soft Lip Matte Cream, another favorite with like a brown lip liner. It looks really, really good.
That's like an orangey brown. Like it has like a peachy brown.
And last but not least, we have a baby doll for a light pink nude. I like this one also with a brown lip liner. What do you have?
I've got Anastasia Bittersweet. This is the liquid lipstick. I don't know what kind of color this is.
It's like a pinkish. It has pink, definitely. A little brown.
Yeah,
pinkish brown.
This is a cool color. I could maybe deal with that. I've got Clinique Vitamin C Lip Smoothie in the color Figalicious. This is discontinued, another one, but it's so cute.
It sounds very moisturizing.
It is. It's a great product. Kind of sad it's gone. I've got the Extreme Shine Lip Cream from NYX in the color Skin Tone. Wonder whose skin tone it is.
Whose?
This lip combo, I think I'm counting this as one. It's just a clear lip gloss and Sephora's Rouge Gel Lip Liner in the color Molasses. If you guys watch my videos, you guys know that I always use this. Always. And I've got Bare Minerals Gen Nude in Darling.
Oh, Darling. Not Darling.
Darling. And then last but not least, I've got the Urban Decay Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss in Back Talk.
So we both have nudes. All nudes. So
Yes.
I think it'll work.
Hopefully.
Alright, so.
Oh, look at that. Please be lip combo. No, bittersweet. I don't know. Yeah, you know, that we might just have to do what works.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna add a little bit. I'm gonna line with NYX brown liner. I always use this for any lip color I use this.
I really like the look until this. Yeah, thank you. Oh, we have finally come to the end of this video.
This is the finished look.
These are the finished
Make sure to comment down below like what look I would wear.
Yes,
Something
hers
like
is
this.
more of like a wearable everyday look, like a soft glam. Mine's more of like a grungy editorial look. You know?
I mean, I would wear that to go out.
You would wear this to go
Yes,
out?
I would. If I'm going out, oh yeah, I'm wearing that.
Maybe I would pop some glitter on somewhere, and maybe I'd be able to wear it. But like these lashes are no for me. Like they're nice for the look.
They are making a statement.
But I don't want to fly away, you know?
We want to
I
stay
can
on
fly
the
away
ground.
with a bat of an eye. So, if you guys like this video, again, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Do not forget to check out her channel and her social medias on Twitter and Instagram. Again, it is plugged here again. So, we will see you guys in our next video on our channels.
All right.
Thank you guys for watching.
And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.